Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete apps on Windows 10 laptop or Windows 11 laptop. So, this on my Windows laptop. Actually, we can delete or uninstall apps in different ways. I'll show you three different ways you can delete or uninstall apps. The first one is the traditional thing, which is control panel. You can just click on control panel. Yes, you can search it here. You can open control panel, and here you will get an option like uninstall the program. So by clicking on uninstall program, you can see here programs, uninstall program. So here you will get list of programs here, and you can right click and uninstall, or you can click on uninstall here. So this is the first option, and the second one is the easiest way. You can directly click on this Windows key symbol, and here you will find all apps. See, according to the alphabet order, you will get all the apps installed on your Windows. And here, if you want to uninstall a particular program, you need to click on this drop down. And here you can click on right click. See here, I'm just clicking right click here. I'll get uninstall. If I click on this, that gets deleted. Yes, on Chrome I have right click, and here I'll get uninstall option. So whichever application you want to delete, you can just right click on it and see. And now the third option is by clicking on settings here. So on the search, just search for settings app, or you can type settings here. Okay, open Windows settings, and here you will find options at the left. And here, once you click on options, you will get installed apps. See here, these are all the list of installed apps, and click, you need to click on these three dots right beside this, whichever the app you want to delete, and you can click on uninstall. So whichever way you can want, you can delete apps on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.